Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You need GeForce Experience and the in-game overlay active. Once ready, launch Genshin Impact and switch to exclusive full-screen or borderless window for best results. Open the overlay with Alt+Z and choose Game Filter. This is where you start building your look. Select a preset to avoid starting from scratch, then apply a basic filter to confirm changes render in real time. Make sure hidden overlays or Steam/Light clients aren't interfering before moving to fine-tuning. Once you have a preset, dive into color, sharpen, details, and ambient light to sculpt visuals without overdoing any one control. Use the split-screen preview to compare before and after. This helps you judge the effect on foliage, UI, and character tones. Increase sharpens sparingly to avoid haloing, and nudge vibrance for color pop while watching for blown highlights. Save your custom profile and give it a clear name so you can quickly switch for caves, day, or boss fights. To finalize, play in different areas and during combat to check motion clarity and performance. Make small adjustments if bloom or particle effects clash with your settings. If the filter fails to apply, first toggle the overlay off and on, then restart the game. Update GeForce Experience and GPU drivers if issues persist. Make sure your profile is low impact for competitive situations to prevent perceived input lag. Remember, quick iterations and saved profiles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.